So welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to import multiple images to Pixellab at once. So before I get started, if you know you are new here, do not to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video and comment under this video. Thank you. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to this icon in the middle here, and then we are going to use this import button. That's what we are going to be using to import our images. So all you want to do is to click on this import button multiple times, and then to open it, and then you start selecting your images one by one. Select this one, next one you select, and then you can see that open multiple two images. Let me do more. Okay, there we have it. I imported 3 images at once. So guys, that's just it. That's how to import multiple images at once. Do well to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video to someone that might need it, and don't forget to comment down anything you want me to do a Pixellab tutorial on. See you guys in the next video. Bye.